this application right here, as you can see right here, can actually help you build an online business for yourself. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is what I got in the last 7 days. I got over 20.7k visitors on this particular application. All right, and if you scroll down, you're going to see right here, these are the content that are bringing up these people. Okay, so these people are not just coming because they want to visit, they are coming up on this very website through this application which I'm about showing you right now via my content. Okay, and if you scroll down, you're going to see where these people are coming from, the countries, the regions, and also the cities. Okay, top countries on this particular website are basically Nigerians, 8.6k visitors just in the last 7 days. Another country you can see is United States, 4.9k. okay, so we have China, we have Netherlands, we have India, Ghana, we have Singapore, United Kingdom, South Africa, Germany. Here we are not selling anything. The only thing we bring out as our product is our content. Okay, for instance, if you come over to this particular website right here, you're going to see a lot of content right here we write every single day. These are informative content. Okay, it's content that solves people's problem. So this is a business model where you have to render information, where you have to give out information, and returns those people that visit to consume those information can actually buy whatever thing you sell on that particular website, or see the advertisement which are also added on your website. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be breaking it down and showing you how this particular tool work, how you can actually add your website to this application so you can actually get more information about your website and also get traffic from this same application. All right, for you to link your website to this application, first thing to do is to go to your Play Store. All right, go to your Play Store and you search for Jetpack. All right, the application is already installed on my mobile phone. Okay, so once you have this on your mobile phone, second thing you need to do is to log into the website. So this particular website is already connected, so I'm going to be using a website that is not connected. All right, so let me use Padded Vibes right here. Okay, so if you don't have a website fully developed for you, my team can actually handle that for you. So if my team have already built your website, you can use this particular strategy to connect your account to your Jetpack. All right, then go to the plugin section right here, then click on add plugin. Add same name, Jetpack. We already have Jetpack installed on this very website. Okay, so this is it right here. This is Jetpack, and once you have this in place, the next thing to do is to actually go to the settings section. Okay, you're gonna see this section that says sites connected or connect my account. Okay, click on this section that says connect my account. Okay, the next thing to do is simply click on this connect account, or you create a new account. Okay, so if you want to use a different account, you can create one. Click on this connect account. So this is going to simply authorize Jetpack to have access to your website. Okay, so after connecting your site, this is going to simply bring you back to your home page, okay, which is the dashboard of your website. Okay, and once you have this in place, you're going to simply go to the Jetpack again, and you're going to see more other features added for you automatically. You can see the AI has been added, the social has been added, we have the search, we have the activity log, subscribers, and Jetpack manage. Okay, so we're going to simply go to the mobile app. On your mobile app, you're going to see the list of your websites on this very section, on this header section. You're going to see the list of websites you manage on this app. Okay, so you can use this app to manage 10 different websites, 20 websites, and lots more. Okay, so what I need to do is simply click on this button, then select another website that's been added already. You can see automatically this is going to simply open. All right, and automatically it's going to simply bring out every details about your website based on what is happening on your Google Analytics, on your search traffic, every other stuff. Okay, all right, so this is the analytics for this past 7 days on Padded Vibes. Okay, paddedvibes.com, and you can see the countries right here ranking. Number 1, Nigeria, United States, Singapore, and lots more. Okay, this is how you can connect your own account to your website. Okay, and the second step is basically how to build business around this whole stuff. All right, so remember, your website is live online. This is your website, and you publish content, and this content could be anything. It could be on health needs, personal finance, fitness, food and nutrition, business, technology, AI, anything you really know how to talk about, like anything you are interested in. You can actually start writing, making posts. By so doing, people that need the information you are publishing will start visiting your website from every part of the world. All right, and the best part is that you are not just sharing this information free of charge. You can actually build business around it. Okay, in multiple ways. Number 1 way to build business around this is to display advertisement from platforms like Adsterra.com, Monetag, Zoic, AdSense, and lot more. Okay, so these platforms will bring up companies that are willing to advertise on publishers' website. Okay, just like Monetag is also promoting their product or promoting their services on my own website. Okay, even if my team built your website today, they can actually integrate all the necessary things that is required for your website to be fully optimized. All right, so as you're publishing your content, the advertisement there will benefit you, the affiliate links right there will also benefit you. You can also sell your own products, your services on your own website. Okay, and this is going to simply help you a whole lot. All right, so once you have this in place for you, once you have your website connected to Jetpack and companies are displaying advertisement on your website and you're publishing content consistently, third thing to do right now is to make sure you log in back to your Jetpack application. All right, so this is a strategy that most people don't know about, and I only share this on my Patreon page, on the VIP section of my Patreon page. Only my premium student knows about this strategy, and I'm about sharing it right now with you guys, okay, for free. All right, so what you need to do is simply pick back your mobile phone, that same mobile phone that you used to install that Jetpack. Okay, this application is not just for you to check your analytics, check your traffic and all of that, okay, or where the traffic are coming from. No, you're going to see this section that says readers. All right, if you go to the reader section, you're going to see we have a lot of content you can read on this application. Okay, like millions of people have already downloaded this application, and most of these users right here and content creators are basically from the United States. All right, and every content you can see right here are coming from their blog. Okay, the reason why you can see it here is because they connected their blog to this application. All right, which is Jetpack. Okay, just like we've already done. Okay, so if you scroll down, you're going to see more, and they're getting likes, they're getting comments, and they're getting likes and shares. Okay, and also subscribers. Okay, what you need to understand is this: once your website is connected, this alone is a traffic source for you. All right, this website, this application right now is going to simply be promoting your content, and people can like your own content can actually show up on this very dashboard. All right, and people will also read your content. And not only that, one of the best way to go viral on this very application is to fall back to my search section, then come over to this section that says answer prompt. Okay, so this prompt right here pops up every single day, and the faster you answer this, the higher chance for you to actually get more traffic to your website. Okay, they said here, they asked a question: is a little chaos actually good for us? All right, you can actually click on this answer prompt, then make a blog content about this, whether it is on your niche or not. You can make a blog post about this, then under it you promote other related content on your own website. Okay, you're going to simply get more traffic to yourself. All right, click on this section that says all responses. Okay, so if you click on all responses, you're going to see a lot of people that are making posts instantly, just a few hours ago, a few minutes ago, about this same stuff. Okay, let's allow it to open. You can see this is what we have here: 4 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago, 11 minutes ago, and lots more. Okay, and on this same application, you can click on this tiny button right here. You can click on this button and create a blog post. Okay, so what you need to do is simply go ahead and add your title right here. You add every single section of your content. Okay, you can click on this plus button and see all that stuff you can actually embed on this from this very application to your website. Okay, so this particular application is well protected, and you can actually go ahead and try this out for yourself. This is one of the best business model you can actually get started right now with. Okay, so if I were you, I'll get started with my blog website right now and start running this as a business. Okay, so if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. I'm going to see you in the next update. Okay.